Really excited today, guys, because I got this Troy-Bilt Lawn Mower right here last night. Me and my dad picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace, and in the ad it said that pretty much everything was good on it except for one thing: it didn't have any spark. But when my dad tried starting it last night, it started right up. Maybe it had just been sitting for like a month or two. Anyway, this thing's got a 6 3/4 gross torque. Friction Stratton engine on it. It's an auto choke, so there's no primer bulb. This is a 2007 model, according to what I looked at on the serial number. It's self-propelled, it's front-wheel drive. This thing's got oil in it. It looks fairly clean. It's not too low or too high. It's got some gas in it as well. Air filter looks like it was changed recently. It came with a bagger. It's got a little rip over here, but it's not too bad. It's a front-wheel drive lawnmower. As I told you, this thing runs. Let me go ahead and start it up. Oh, and before I start it, I want to mention that the self-propel works as well. May take a few pulls. It's kind of taking a couple pulls. This is an auto choke. I don't know. I guess I'll pause the video and I'll maybe try and start it. Oh! Alright guys, here it is running. There, as you can see, it works. I'm gonna bring it back over here. I had to have my friend start it. Kind of took forever to get this started, kinda. It's an auto choke. I just started it a few minutes before we recorded this video. I don't know why they put this tape up here. For some reason. It does kind of take a couple pulls to start it. You probably ought to manually prime the carburetor by pushing starting fluid in. Fortunately, I didn't do that, but I got my friend to start it. Got no side chute. Oh man, there's a lot of grass built up under there. But let me tip it over and show you. Underneath it doesn't look all that bad. Wait, it's okay. Anyway, I can't believe this mower's in pretty great shape. Now, this must have just sat for like 1 or 2 months, and that caused it to not start. Anyway, it starts up, and I just gotta run this a little bit more and then it'll be ready to go. So anyway, that's all I have to say for this video, and thanks for watching.